In this problem, we're to use the equal matrices to determine the values of A, B, C, and D. So we know that if the matrices are equal to one another, then their corresponding entries are also equal. So for example, I know 9 is equal to 2A minus 1. So I'm going to write that equation. I also know that 3B is equal to negative 12. I know that 5 minus 2C is equivalent to negative 1. And I also know that negative 5 is equivalent to D minus 3. So I can go about solving all four of these equations independently, and I can find values for A, B, C, and D. For A, I'm going to add 1 to both sides, and I'm going to see that 10 equals 2A. So then when I divide both sides by 2, I see that 5 equals A, or with my symmetric property, A equals 5. In the second one, 3B equals negative 12. I can divide both sides by 3 to isolate my B, and I'll see that B equals negative 4. In my third equation, I'm trying to isolate my C, so I'm actually going to subtract 5 from both sides, and I'll have negative 2C equals negative 6. So when I divide both sides by negative 2, I'll have C equals 3. And finally, negative 5 equals D minus 3. I'll add 3 to both sides, and I'll get negative 2 equals D, or D equals negative 2. So I used the equivalent matrices to solve for my variables A, B, C, and D.